Hi, welcome to Fiddly Stitch Tutorials. Today I'm going to do a quick tutorial about how to get an alignment for your face mask using a template. So I get my face mask from JPP, and they actually have a template in their website, which is really helpful for people. Just go in there, type in mask, it'll pull it up. So they have different ones, but the one I go with is a 3-layer sublimation, just because it's the ones I use. Oops, I hit the wrong one. There we go. This is the mask style. They're double-sided sublimation. Gives you a little thing that tells you what it is. So this is sublimation. This is heat transfer. So you know what the product works with. It's a great company. They sell these in packs of 10. The download for your template, everything you really need to know is right here. They make it super easy. It's super user-friendly. They got different templates. It's all the same thing. It's just in different formats. So CDR, EPS, PDF, just depends on what works for you. I'm going to go with the EPS and double click on it, and then it'll ask me what I want to do with it. I'm going to click OK. I already have it, so I don't want to keep downloading it. But I just wanted to show you how user-friendly it is. Once you download it and save it or open it, I would save it. That way you can keep using it over and over. And I'll show you what it pulls up like. So it pulls up. Let me undo this so you can actually see it. It pulls up like a solid file. So the whole thing moves in one thing. You have to select the file. In Silhouette, you have to break it apart so that you can use each line. Each line is a different mask size. I happen to know for a fact that the size mask that I order is this blue line. They have a child size, a youth size, that actually uses a different line. Anyways, so this one, right click it. First you need to select it, then right click, then you can ungroup it. Oh, wait, let me go back further because it saves it as right click it, ungroup it, and that'll break that up. This little green box, you can take that out. That's not actually the template, it's just a background color. I select the blue and then open, right click, and then push duplicate. That way it saves the template. Oops, that was the wrong one. That way you can keep using it. Okay, so there's our blue, and we're going to copy that so I can bring it over here. I already have one actually, sorry. Anyways, this is the face. This is what we're trying to get to, the result, the end result. So you can see in this one I've adjusted the color. I actually use this for somebody. I'm just going to show you how the alignment tool works. So you can see the blue line. If I select both and then go over here to this little icon, it's transform panel, it'll open up this box. This box allows different alignments. This is the center of the cutting mat. This is the center of each other. This is aligned to the left, to the right, to the middle, vertically, and one is horizontally, and then it'll allow you down here to do spacing. What we need right now is for these things to line up in the middle, but it's down low, so it's actually going to line up down here, which I'll show you. See, it makes the mask not fit into the right. So we need to get the mask in there somewhere. And if you have it off to the side, it'll still line up in the middle. Sometimes the picture isn't just right for the middle, so you have to adjust it a little bit off to the right or off to the left. But you got to remember, this jawline is what really is going to make the center, if this is this style of mask you're making. But we're going to line it to the middle, and then we're going to go back out here to the modify panel and select crop. They both have to be selected for this to work. And then crop, and it's done. That's it. It's that easy. Now you can adjust it a little bit to make the picture seem different colored, you know, brighter, darker, just depends on what substrate you're working with. And the unwind button, as they call it, I always call it rewind, will allow you to go and bring everything back if you're not happy with where you cut it at, or it's not going to work for you. Like say the nose still ends up off to the side, anything's out of line you don't want, you can go back up here and it'll go back in steps. I think this is the face that I actually used, but it's the same process, you know. Yeah. So his head was turned to the side a little bit. I think that's why. Anyways, feel free to open up the description box down below the video and join the Sublimation group. Feel free to like, subscribe. Stay up with us. We keep posting videos. Anyways, I hope you have a great day. Thanks.